Get FSA, HSA approval for your products and a badge on Amazon. It's going to help you generate more sales, get seen, and of course, improve your credibility. And here is what it looks like, right? This is the little badge. It's down here, right? FSA, HSA, FSA, HSA, right? It's pretty difficult to get, but you even get like your own little filter in Amazon. And believe it or not, this will help increase sales, right? So a lot of people want this because you can use your special little card, FSA, HSA card, right? Pretty awesome. Bit difficult to get. I'll show you two different ways. So we're going to go over the free way. So contacting Amazon is the free way and the slow way. This is free and slow, okay? So you're going to utilize Amazon to find close competitors. This way, if Amazon denies it, you can be like, yo, my competitor has it, right? So again, you're going to search Amazon and you're going to look for a competitor that has this little FSA, HSA eligible. Hopefully you can find a competitor that has it. So if you're selling like an eye massager or an insole and this competitor has it, just take a screenshot and be like, yo, Amazon, like they've got it. Please give us FSA, HSA eligible badge. Right now you've got proof. It's going to be really hard for them not to. That's the easiest way. So that way Amazon doesn't automatically reject you like they always do. So that's the first thing I do is just review them. Next, you're going to reach out to Amazon. Say, hi, I would like this ASIN to be FSA, HSA eligible. And this is Amazon's response right here. They're going to say this big old thing, and all you have to do is just look at number 1, number 2, and number 3. So you're going to go to the Sig-Is page. Sig-Is is a company. Sig-Is, that's their name. That's the company that says this product is FSA, HSA, this product is not. So they're the ones that approve it, right? So you're going to make sure you double check. I mean, you already double checked Amazon, but hey, we'll double check their website too. You're going to confirm, and they're going to fill out a spreadsheet. You're going to send it to Amazon, and then Amazon will give you that badge if it's eligible. So again, you're going to double check. So we're going to their website, and Amazon gives you the link. So you can see right here, Amazon literally gives you the link. So this is the link. You're going to click on that, and this is the link, right? You go there, and then it says, okay, these products are eligible. Acupressure items, breast pumps, right? Products that treat medical conditions such as nausea or pain are eligible. Acupressure mats with the primary purpose to treat pain are eligible, right? So you kind of get, and it's going through some example brands that you can like look at that are eligible. So you can kind of like say, oh, mine's a acupressure hat. It's close to a mat, and then get approved, right? So you say you looked at it, yeah, you're good to go. And then they're going to give you a nice little spreadsheet that you got to fill out. So you're going to fill out this spreadsheet, and you're pretty much going to say, here's my acupressure treatment. That's my category that I should have approval in. Here's my ASIN, here's my UPC code, and then you're just going to give it to Amazon. Amazon is then going to make you wait an estimated 51 business days this is what it took us the first time. 51 business days to get the ASIN to be verified. And then once it was verified, it didn't show on Amazon. So we had to follow up to get the badge to show. And we finally did. FSA, HSA approved badge. In 40 hours, it's going to show. So yeah, this is the slow, but it's free. You can also attempt to escalate. So we were able to escalate it for one of our clients, and we got it within 14 to 30 days. So we're getting better at it, but it just takes a little bit of time. And you got to get to the right people, because a lot of people don't know how to do this at Amazon. So it's just like a little bit of just like following up. Okay, so that's way number 1. All right, just gave it to you. Way number 2 is you're going to go to Google. You're going to type in Sig-Is so you can go to their website, right? They've got great reviews, so you know they're going to be good, and you're going to click on it. Here's their page. Okay, now you got to become a member. All right, you're going to click join, and you're going to become a Sig-Is member. Here it is. Look at all this information, right? Look at this big text. Just become a member, okay? Once you do that, you're going to say, I want to be a member. You're going to pay them. How much are you going to pay them? $100. There it is. It's really small, but it says 100. Super small. $100 a year. If you don't pay them $100, you get kicked out of the program. But your product is still FSA, HSA approved, so it's okay. You just need to do this for a year, get it approved, and you can get kicked out. Now, this is the process. Okay, so you're going to sign up like I just showed you. Then they're going to give you a spreadsheet as well. Their spreadsheet's a little bit more detailed, right? And then you're going to say to Sig-Is before, like, you fill out the spreadsheet, you're like, look, I know this looks like a tennis ball, but it's an acupressure tennis ball. Will you approve it? And then Sig-Is is going to be like, yeah, sure, we'll approve it. And then you submit the spreadsheet, you get it approved, and bada bing, within 30 days or less, your product is eligible. And they give you like this, they give you a sheet that says it's eligible. Send it to Amazon. Now you have proof. They don't have to like go through Sig-Is and wait 51 days. That's the process, okay? You kind of have more leverage that way because you can talk directly to Sig-Is and you paid them a membership fee, so they got to deal with you for a year. This is what the portal looks like when you sign up. So once you sign up and you pay them, this is the membership portal. And then you can see right here, you download their special little spreadsheet, okay? Once you download their spreadsheet, you're going to go and you're going to click the submit button and you're going to submit it directly to Sig-Is. But of course, since you're a member, you can just contact Sig-Is and be like, hey, does this look good? Does it? And you can kind of like change the verbiage and like how the listing looks. Only for acupressure, not tennis ball. And then boom, you're approved. And then you just change it back. No, I'm just kidding. But that's pretty much how you would do it at the end of the day. So this is the faster way, right? And you can do it the slow and free way. And it's completely up to you. If it's your first time, I recommend to do it the slow and free way. Sig-Is is they've got, like I said, they have really good reviews, so they're really nice to deal with. And it's going to be a bit of a pain either way. So it's up to you, but at least you know you've got your options. We can also help you too, and just follow up with them every single day like we do until you get that special badge. We know what to do. We know what to say. We know who to ask. So we can do it for you either on Amazon or on Sig-Is. Up to you, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, getting the FSA, HSA badge, or anything else regarding Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. It's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also have full account management where we'll automatically get you FSA, HSA approval for pretty much every single one of your items that are eligible or even close to eligible. We're also going to be doing your designs, your customer service, your advertising, and making sure your sales are increasing every year. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I am signing out.